Good morning, Soul Tribe. It's Sid from Divine Sunflower Tarot. We've got a very positive message for you this morning. I trust that the universe supports my positive intentions and will lead me to where I am meant to be. Absolutely. You're being led in the right direction. You're being led where you are needed, where you are supposed to be for your greatest good. Never doubt this for 1 minute. We are being placed where we are supposed to be placed. Everything is going to work out in divine timing. My name is Sid. This is Divine Sunflower Tarot. Subscribe for more and have a beautiful day.